Hi students! Today you are going to be doing an assignment that is graded. This assignment is called Skills of a Scientist Left Side. Super important. You can use your textbook and you're going to want to open your binder and find your vocabulary page. You can use both of these things to complete your assignment. First, you'll notice at the top of your paper, it says 6th grade science, Skills of a Scientist Left Side. You want to put your name right here. Okay, I put my name, Ms. Betty. You put your name. Over here, please put the period you have our class. Okay, do that now. Okay, students, you are going to listen to the directions to the video. When I say press pause, you can press pause and do the work. Then press play again and you'll continue to get your next direction. So you'll notice on the top half, you have a double bubble map. Now remember, a double bubble map is something that compares, and we do the things that are the same in the middle, and it also contrasts on the outside. So what that means is we're looking at prediction and we're looking at hypothesis. We want to write the things that are the same in the middle. So let's look at that first. You have two bubbles. That means we want you to write two things. In the top bubble, think of the word that we use when we write both a prediction and a hypothesis. If you look at your examples, you will notice that there is a word in both of those sentences that we use for both. Okay, try and find the word that is the same for both prediction and hypothesis. Pause the video, and when you're ready, press play again. Okay, students, the bottom circle. We want you to think of what does a prediction and a hypothesis do, okay? Now there's going to be something different, but there is something that's the same. They both do something that's the same. See if you can figure that out and write that in the circle. Press pause, and when you're ready, press play again. Okay, students, let's look at just prediction now. We want to think of what is prediction like that is only for prediction. Okay, this is how they are contrasted or how they're different. So we want you to think, how does a prediction start? A prediction starts in a way that's different from hypothesis. So think about how a prediction starts and write that in the circle. Press pause and do the work now. Okay, students, let's look at hypothesis. Again, think of how they are different. So in this circle on the bottom, we want you to write, how does a hypothesis start? Okay, that is different from a prediction. So write how it starts in the circle below. Press pause and press play when you're ready. All right, students, last at the top, I want you to think about the definition of a hypothesis. How is the definition different from prediction? How is it different? Okay, think about it. Press pause, press play when you're ready to go to the bottom. Okay, students, look at the bottom half of your worksheet. You'll notice that you have two bubble maps. A bubble map here that has observation in the middle, and a bubble map here that has inference in the middle. The first thing we want you to do is take a look at observation and write the definition in the middle circle. Do that now, press pause and press play when you're ready to go on. Okay, students, you wrote your definition in the middle. We gave you 3 bubbles to write some ideas about what you wrote in the middle. So use those 3 bubbles. We're going to give you a hint. You're going to want to add more bubbles, okay? Because the definition talks about more than 3 things. That's a hint for you. So after you write 3 things, add a couple more bubbles and you can write more things from your definition of observation. Go ahead and do that now. press pause. Press play when you're ready to go on. Okay, students, last thing. Look at the inference bubble. First, you're going to write the definition of inference right here. Do that now. Press pause. Press play when you're ready to go on. Okay, again, we have 3 circles. So we want you to think about all the words that you remember from the definition of inference. We're going to give you a hint. Use your vocabulary sheet and also use the book. Think about the things that we circled in the book. Okay, write those things in the 3 circles. You are going to add more circles again. There are a lot of circles you can add because there are a lot of words that talk about inference. Use your book, use your vocabulary notes, fill in the bubbles, 1 item per bubble, and then you will be finished. Please let us know if you have any questions. Good luck!